Hello guys, today I will telling you how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube channel. How to make a thumbnail. So let's start. So first go to the Play Store. So open the Play Store. Search the Pixel Lab. Pixel Lab. Yeah, first wala. So first search on the Pixel Lab. So we already download this icon, see this icon, this one, Pixel Lab. So we are already download this app, so let's start from this. You can install from here. Okay, so this is the Pixel Lab. First you open Pixel Lab for making any thumbnail for your YouTube channel. So now you tap on this 3 point at the top of the your phone. Okay, now you can image size, you can see here at the image size, you can tap here and tap at the custom. Now YouTube thumbnail, here you can tap now at the YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and now okay, so this is your YouTube thumbnail image size converted. Now you can choose here any option like that, in 3D form or in like that. Okay, there are several. If you want any, then you can choose from here. Okay, now if you are add any text, then you can tap here at the top, at the left top of your phone. You can tap here, look here at the your pen. Okay, now at pen, now you can write anything like YouTube channel. Okay, now you can, okay, and after this, okay, 1 minute. After this, if you add any image, then you can add from gallery. You can add from gallery, like you can tap at the from gallery, your image will open. Okay, 1 minute. Now your image will open. Now you can add any things like that. I will add this image, and okay, so this one like that. Okay, we add this at here. Okay, YouTube channel and this image. Okay, now you can save from here, look here at the top of your phone, look here and tap here and save as project, save as image. Now you can save as image. Okay, save as image and save to gallery. Now you can save in your gallery. Okay, now how to add this thumbnail, then you go at the your studio, YouTube studio, tap on the YouTube studio. Okay, now okay, 1 minute, YouTube studio, sorry, and you can add thumbnail from to any video. So you can tap at this video and tap here. Okay, tap here at edit. Now edit thumbnail, tap on the edit thumbnail and you can change, you can tap at change and you can add. Okay,